Okay, this is a very straightforward question, just that it's not guided anymore. Just now was guided. This is not guided. What are the keywords again? Perpendicular bisector. Like what you told me earlier on, perpendicular means 90 degrees. Bisector means must cut into two halves, two equal halves. So I'm going to draw the line. It will cut the line, the segment C and D into two halves. And not only that, you need to find the midpoint. That is why it's very important. You need to find the midpoint. And not just that, your job is to find the equation of the blue line. The blue line is called the perpendicular bisector. Alright, your job is to find the equation of the blue line. So what is the first thing you will do? As I was walking around, the first thing you will do, everyone, what you all did? Find the midpoint. Am I right? That is the first thing. So, that's what I will do as well. Find the midpoint. Average of the x coordinate, average of the y coordinates. But what is equation of a straight line? How does it look like? Y equal mx plus c. So I'm going to write that form out again. What is it that we find first? Gradient, right? But the blue line, does it have 2 points on the blue line? No. There is only 1 point you know. You don't have 2 points. If you have 2 points on the blue line, you use the gradient formula. But the thing is, because it's perpendicular, I can use the relationship for two lines being perpendicular, meaning gradient of the perpendicular bisector when you multiply by the gradient of the black line. The product must give us -1. Okay, I'm using what we have learned yesterday as well. So, wait on. If I don't want to keep writing the word gradient of the perpendicular bisector, why don't we at the very start denote lor? Okay, so I know, you see, because if not, I need to write the word gradient of perpendicular bisector again. So, if I don't want to do that, right, let me denote. Okay, let gradient be M. If you want, you call it M1. So, then, teacher, then it's easier. I don't have to keep writing this stupid thing. Okay? Remember, just write M1. M1. So, if I want to find M1, simplify first. I believe you can solve this. What does this mean? Your gradient M1 is equal to -2. Very good. I have found the equation of the line by doing step 1, finding the gradient. So I'm going to put it inside. So y equal to -2x plus c. But I'm not done. What is the next thing I need to find? The value of c. In order for us to find the value of c, we need to sub a point inside. Which point do I sub? Point C, point D? Midpoint, not point C or D. Midpoint lies on the blue line, which is the perpendicular bisector. So, use the midpoint. Sub the correct x and y coordinates inside. Don't just leave your answer as C equal to. Rewrite the whole thing again. And what you see over here, this is the equation of the perpendicular bisector.